Alright guys, you see right there we have regular orange chanterelles, and these guys are multiple different species of chanterelles. Do you see that red pretty thing right there? That's also a chanterelle, and so are all of these guys. They say that there's no such thing as a red chanterelle. And that might be true. This might just be dark orange. But it is very close to red to me. Definitely a chanterelle. All of these are. That guy. Unarguably a chanterelle, and it is red. Growing right beside it are orange chanterelles. That is pretty awesome stuff. I see these darker orange ones or red ones from time to time. These were actually the first ones that I ever found and identified going many years back. It was because they were all red that it was easy for me to look them up and identify them. So there you go. If it's not red, it's really close, and it's a chanterelle too. And it's growing right amongst and around in a colony of orange chanterelles.